Hi, welcome to our LiveText tutorial. We're going to work on the mid-program evaluation of classroom practice. You begin by going to the LiveText site, click on Login. I'm logging in with an old student test account, so things will look a little bit different for you when you log in. Just be aware of that. So once you log in, the first thing you do is go to All Current Terms and select Fall 2018. There's only one place where you will find all of your assessments for the MAT program, and that's in this course, ED 692, Section JD1. Angie's students and my students are together in this course. You find mid-program eval, fall semester, click on begin assessment. Now, I've already prepared a folder with the 3 documents that I need. So to start, I go to this template right here. There's only one, it's a required template, and I select create document. And then basically what I'm going to do is upload these 3 documents, and then I will submit my evaluation. So in a folder on your desktop, you should have your goal log, one big file of artifacts and evidence, and your self-evaluation of classroom practice. For Angie's class, those items are in Blackboard. In my section, it's in Google Classroom. So you just select Edit, and then you scroll down just a little bit, File Attachments, hit Edit. If I'm moving too fast, you can always stop this video and rewind it a little bit if you need to. So I'm going to upload a new file, and I'm going to choose that file from my desktop, and I have a folder called LiveText Docs. The first thing that I'm going to submit is my goal log. And notice how each file has my name. My name is Spike Whale as part of the file name. That way, when Angie and I go in to assess, if we have to download something, we don't have 27 folders or files on our desktop all called goal log. So there you go. You can see Spike Whale's goal log for the first one. And then we do artifacts and evidence. Of course, when you actually do this, you should read these carefully to make sure that you have everything that you need. And then again, we find that file by looking at our desktop, and artifacts and evidence for Spike Whale. And this is one big PDF with all of your artifacts and evidence. And your goal is to have at least one artifact or evidence for each of the 9 goals. And at this point, if you need to include something that you worked on with your host teacher, that's just fine. But you need at least one for all of the goals. So we've selected this, and we do save and finish. And there we go. We have our first 2 files. You know, if you prepare and you have these 3 documents all ready to go, organized in a folder on your desktop, the actual LiveText piece could only take, 5-10 minutes. As you can see, this part is pretty simple. Again, we upload a new file. We choose that file from the desktop. And the last one is our mid-program evaluation, our self-evaluation that you'll complete prior to going into LiveText. That's also the document that you'll print that we'll review at your meeting with your host teacher and your university supervisor. So we will save that. And then we just confirm all 3 documents have been attached to these 3 different areas. And then we make sure that it's attached. And then this is very important. And every semester we have folks that forget to hit this last little thing right here, submit the assignment. Are you sure? Okay. Once you submit it, you can't edit it. If you don't submit it, you can go back in and edit and make changes. But this has now been successfully submitted. So that's it for how to use LiveText for the mid-program evaluation of classroom practice. Both Angie and I will also be reviewing this during class so that you're good to go. So good luck to you. Enjoy your evaluation.